Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working.
Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Yeah, so there was no costume change or anything like that. The only thing I really was getting tired of was my hair kind of around my face. But what do I have for you? I got Trend Mood. So I don't remember what volume this is. It'll be on the bottom of your screen or up here. And I did forget because I've had this one for a while. It comes packaged just like this, very pretty, very nice. She actually does do a really good job putting the boxes together, the owner. This one says, give your self-care ritual a professional upgrade. Okay. And this one did seem like it was torn a little because this has that really pretty purple tissue paper. Glow Skin. Does it ring a bell? Is that ringing a bell to anybody? Glow Skin? I know I've seen Glow Skin somewhere. Okay. You will never get a card, so don't expect it. You just have to go to the Instagram, to their Instagram account, and it'll give you a list of what everything is, including more than likely its value. So let's get up close here. How many things did we get? I already see one item that I do not want to keep. And this is their Ruby Lights glitter palette, the little quad. I do not want this, you guys. I'm just gonna put that out there right now. I have two. There's another one back here that I have mentioned in other videos where I said, hey, you know what? I need to put it in a it needs to go in a giveaway. It's beautiful packaging, absolutely stunning, gorgeous. These four little pots right here, these are the colors you get. It is chunky. Just gonna say that right now. It's too chunky for me. it's too. I mean, I'm too chunky for anybody. Just chunky glitters, and me, not so much. You know, somebody else might be able to do something with these. Because I do know that you need some kind of glue or primer or something that's sticky to get them. I'm not familiar with, and I don't want to play around with them. Okay. Now, this must be the Glow Skin Beauty. I'm actually currently using this right now. I currently have this bottle open. So that's what's in this box right here. It's this right here. I know, I'm trying to find that soft spot that you guys can see. I don't need to open that box. Love this. First time I ever got it was in one of the sets where they had this, and it came with three more products. And absolutely fell in love with it. Went through this stuff quickly. It was back in 2020, so it's been almost 2 years. This is the booster drops, and they're very hydrating. That's all I'm going to say. Extremely hydrating. By e.l.f. And then also by e.l.f. is the Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. It's black. I think I might have one of these. I think we just got one of these in one of the boxes. One of my other beauty boxes. It's probably over there in my big old, my tubs full of stuff, beauty products that I get. Any more e.l.f.? So that's 4 products already. And then by Dominique Cosmetics. This almost looks like a lipstick, possibly bullet. Know your worth, then add lipstick. Oh, there you go. Know your worth, then add lipstick. Okay. And the color is Nude Coco. Nude Coco. Okay, Nude Coco. The heck is Nude Coco? I don't know, but it's got beautiful packaging. Very pretty. Magnetic. Has that real pretty. This is Nude Coco. Kind of like the browns, the tans that I'm wearing. Now, we're not swatching that. Forget it. No. Every time I do something like that, I can't put it in a giveaway. So we're not going to do it. You have to just kind of get a gist when I twisted it up. And then here is by Anastasia. This is the Dewy Set Setting Spray. It's got the little pineapples on it. I think this has the glitter. No, it does not. Or does it? I thought this had like that gold flecks in it, but it doesn't. It's just a little small one. This is the size we're used to getting when we get the MAC Prep and Prime, the setting spray. This is the size that I'm used to getting. A lot of setting spray. I think when Patrick Starr came out with his setting spray that just went viral, everybody decided to up their game and compete. Okay, now this last product by NYX, this is the Marsh Mellow Primer. This stuff right here, if you have any kids in the room, ask them to leave. I'll wait. This is the bomb. This is the shit right here. This stuff kicks some serious primers, but I have not found another primer that will compete with this one-on-one. I've used other primers. I have a different primer on today, but when it comes to, like, if I need to put on heavy makeup, this is what I grab. And I am so glad that it's in this box, because that means I don't have to order me another bottle. There it is. There's my extra. So anyway, we got the NYX Marshmallow Primer. We got the ABH Dewy Set. The Dominique, which is the lipstick in Nude Coco, go figure. The Nabla Ruby Lights. This is that chunky glitter. This will be in a giveaway soon. So just both of them will. Not at the same time, but I have another. And then this one is Glow Skin Beauty. This is the one I showed you that I already had open. And then the two products from e.l.f., which is the mascara and the hydrating booster drops. Hydrating. So that's everything you get. I don't remember what the price for this Trend Mood was. I did receive it. It's a November box. So it was delivered in November. That's all I can say. Now, Trend Mood is not a month-to-month. It is not a subscription. It is a purchase. When they sell out, it's gone. You will know if you're on the VIP. You get an email, lets you know, hey, right now it is going on sale. You go in, you get first come, first serve. Well, not first come, first serve. You get first shot at it. After that, within a matter of like 30 minutes to an hour, it's up to you whether or not you get it. It can vary in price depending on what it is she curates for the box. It can be a full takeover, or it can be an assortment like you just saw. I do kind of like the assortments, but I prefer when they're takeovers. But that's just me. What do you think? What do you like? Do you like the takeover boxes in beauty boxes? Whether they're subscriptions or whether they're just boxes that when they become available, because Trend Mood is like a volume. It's like volume 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like that. But nonetheless, what do you prefer? Do you prefer a curated 100% takeover, or do you prefer when the box has assorted brands inside? I'm going to say assorted brands. But you know what? I also like a takeover, a good takeover, any day. All right, you guys, let me know down below, would you? Takeover or assortment? And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give away that ruby, actually not this one here because I just got it, but the one that's been sitting here. I'm going to give away that Ruby Lights Nabla palette. This one right here. I'm going to give it away. So it's one word or the other. You like assortment? So assortment brands, and I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen what words you choose from, because those are going to be the ones that go inside the YouTube comment picker. It's going to either be takeover or assortment. Let me know down below. You just might get yourself a chunky Nabla palette. All right, thanks for hanging out with me for just a little bit. Don't forget, hit that button over there, you know, the one down there, the red one. Appreciate it. And I'd appreciate one of these too. Look at that lipstick. It's gorgeous, right? I got a couple more things I want to share with you guys, so that's for another video. All right, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.